Would you be able to describe what you're doing?
This is a CNC router, CNC wood lathe, and we decided to make it manual because we don't have a CNC setup that works yet. So we have clamped a support bar, and then to get it in the correct position, we're using the actual machine itself to act as another clamp, to clamp more pieces, to jam it all together, so you can use a random hacked piece of square 1-inch tubing with a kind of edge on it to make something that is approximately round.
That's amazing. All right. Well, I guess
Safety third.